If you want to maintain your privacy while using Zoom, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open Zoom application. Launch the Zoom application on your computer or mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Look for the gear icon or settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the application. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to privacy settings. In the settings menu, find and select the privacy tab. This section contains options related to your online presence and visibility. Step 4. Adjust online status. Look for the option that allows you to manage your online status visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from others. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, be sure to save your changes before exiting the settings menu. This ensures that your preferences are applied. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your online status on Zoom, allowing for a more private experience.